Attention, North Huron and Blyth Fire, please respond. 178 Dinsley Street. It's a residential CO signal alarm. No answer on site and no answer with a key holder. That's 178 Dinsley Street for a CO signal alarm in a residence. Time first pages 11:48:31. Attention, North Huron and Blyth Fire, please respond. 178 Dinsley Street, cross streets of Queen Street and Gypsy Lane. Going for a residential CO signal alarm. No answer on site, no answer with a key holder. It's called in by the alarm company. 178 Dinsley Street, time second page is 11:49:20. Blyth Fire, please respond.
Fire dispatch, we're here, Carrefour.
Carrefour, good.
Carrefour acknowledges page. Be responding shortly.
Sergeant Carrefour, acknowledge the page 11:50:59.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 responding Golf plus 4 belted.
Sergeant Engine 6 responding Golf plus 4 belted 11:55:55.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 arriving on scene 178 Dinsley Street. Golf will be command will be mobile.
Sergeant Engine 6 on scene, Golf in command and mobile 11:57:18.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
I've made contact with the homeowner and the occupants. They have no issues inside. We're going to send a team of 2 in to do a multi-gas check.
Sergeant Command, you've made contact with the homeowner and occupants, no issues inside. You're sending a crew of 2 in to investigate and check readings at 11:59:42.
You can also show that they have no auto alarms going.
Roger, no audible alarms at 12 o'clock.
Command, full entry 1.
Entry 1, go ahead.
Please up the upper floor is all clear, no readings going down to the first floor.
Copy that, proceeding to the first floor. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
The entire residential structure has been searched with the multi-gas, no readings found, no audible alarm going off. The homeowner is going to contact the alarm company.
Roger, command, you've done the entire search, no readings, no audible alarms. The homeowner is going to contact the alarm company at 12:07:22.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Yeah, can you tell me what time this call came in?
11:48.
Copy that, 11:48, thanks.
Well, actually, the phone call from the alarm company came in at 11:47.
Copy that correction, 11:47, thanks. Fire dispatch, can you give me a time?
So you need a time?
Copy that, dispatch.
So a time for what?
Sorry, this is North Huron Command. Just looking for a timestamp right now for my paperwork.
Roger that, 12-12-25.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show we've left the scene with the homeowners. Command can be terminated. We're returning to Blyth Station.
That's Roger, command. You've left the scene with the homeowners. Command is terminated. You're clear returning to Blyth Station at 12-13-58.